Hi everyone, today we're gonna see a small demo video of how to generate auto numbering sequence in an incremental basis in Google Sheets, and that too without using any kind of script. Basically, I came across this problem when I was working on one of my own project, and when I searched online, most of the solutions were talking about some kind of script that you need to use on Google Sheet to get this function. But personally, I don't prefer using scripts on my Google Sheet because I feel they are much more harder to customize according to the need of your sheet if you are not very good with the programming language. So what I prefer to do is use simple functions and formulas that are inbuilt in the Google Sheet and use them and customize them to get the solution of my problem. So here what I've done is you can see a template of a complaint register kind of a template. Basically you need a auto generating incremental sequence when you are registering a complaint or when you are registering some kind of order from your customer and you want the order number or the complaint number to be generated automatically. So what you have to do simply is use basic if function of Google Sheet and you can get this done. Now we are using basically two formulas. The first formula is in the first cell and the second formula is in the rest of the cells from 3 to your last cell in the sheet. So basically there are two formulas. The first formula is if is blank p2, then don't do anything, or show 001. Now why it will show 001? Because this is your first record. So logically this number should be the first number that is generated in the sequence. So if the customer name is blank, the complaint number should also be blank. This is the logic that we are working on. And if there's a customer name, the complaint number should be generated. Now this is the first record, so the complaint number is 001. So logically the second number should be 002. So what we'll do is, now we'll use our second formula. This is if is blank b3. Again, if the customer name is blank, don't do anything. And if the customer name is not blank, then add 1 to whatever value is shown in A2. So A2 is 1, so it will automatically show 002. Same way, you just need to copy the formula and paste it in the remaining cells and it will automatically change the references. So you see, if I put it customer name over here, it will automatically generate as many auto numbers in an incremental basis as you want. Then to display the number in this kind of format, which is like 001 or 002, all you need to do is go to formats, change the number, change it to customer number format. So you can see a lot of custom number formats over here. You can choose whatever you like. I like this 001, 002 kind of format, so I have chosen that, or you can choose whatever you like. So basically this was a small demo video to show you how to use basic if function of Google Sheet to get auto number generated in Google Sheets as you enter a record. Now these records can be entered manually by you in the Google Sheet, or it can be directly imported from Google Forms. How you can import it from Google Forms, that we'll see in our next videos. So keep following me on YouTube if you want to get to know about the small tips and tricks that I learn as I work on our projects. So these are not basically something which you might not be aware of, or this is something very innovative, but these are very simple tricks and tips that will make your work easier, and these are more reliable than using a script, or these are more easier than basically customizing a script for your function. We will also see how you can send auto generated intimations using a mail merge add-on here in Google Sheets in our next videos. So keep watching.